Welcome to TSI Solutions Machining and Assembly Center located in Stone Mountain, Georgia. Our extrusions are pulled from our local inventory and cut to size on our automated chop saw, which is accurate to 1/10 of a millimeter. Counterbores and through holes are milled on our end mill machine, and we tap the extrusion ends using our flex arm tool, which ensures a straight and quality tap. We stock a wide range of fasteners, brackets, and other accessories, as well as panels and wire mesh. Our extrusions are sourced directly from the local Bonnell aluminum mill, conveniently located in nearby Noonan, Georgia. Our design engineers can take your drawing or sketch and convert it into a CAD file, which then generates a bill of materials. We can deliver orders in kit form with parts labeled and tagged per an assembly drawing. Or we can do the complete assembly and ship the finished product to you on a pallet. From safety guarding to machine frames, end-of-arm tools, material handling carts, test fixtures, work tables, lean displays, the ideas are endless. TSI Solutions is your one-stop shop for all your T-Slot extrusion needs. Give us a call today, and we look forward to helping you with your next T-Slot project.